Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This time it's going to be a pink and purple kind of smoky eye. So if you like these videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye.
They kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, but no one to blame. Stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. Time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. Together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so bad. All of the time we spent spent together in our prime. We were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so vain. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. Stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. Spent together in our prime. We were birds of a feather, different kinds. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so vain. Cut the cord that kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, to feel like a glove. All of the time we spent together in our prime. We were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so vain. Together in our prime. We were birds of a feather, different kinds. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so vain. All of the time we spent together in our prime. We were birds of a feather, different kinds. We were laughing through the pain. You were never once so vain. I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame. Stays the same. Guess it's just a shame, with no one to blame.